Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from infosharing360.com. Okay, so in this video, I will show you a simple method through which we can easily replace an existing text, number, word, or even a sentence in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. This is our Word file. It has several paragraphs, overall 6 pages. For example, if I have to change or replace this word help with word assist, all I need to do is to go to main ribbon home tab and then click on replace function. Now I can also go directly to this replace function through a shortcut which is Control H as mentioned over here. So I'll simply click on this replace tab. Now it's asking for a few information. First, it's asking for the word which needs to be replaced. Now that word is help. Here I'll type in the word which will be replacing that word help. So that's assist. And I also want to implement this change over the entire Word file. So I'll click on replace all tab. See, it has made 20 replacements and we can clearly see that the word help is now replaced with word assist, and same change has been applied over the entire Word document. So let's see another example to clarify things a bit further. Um, for instance, if this word powerful is to be replaced with word powerful in uppercase, and I also want to change its font color from black to green, and this change needs to be applied over the entire document. For that, I need to click anywhere over the document and then press Control H. Now, this time around, I'm using the short keys. So I pressed Control H. Type in the word which needs to be replaced. It is word powerful in lowercase. Now type in the word powerful in uppercase, which will be replacing the word powerful. To change its font color as well, I need to click on more, go to format, select font, and change its color to, let's suppose, green. Click OK and replace all. It has made 10 replacements. We can clearly see the change has been implemented successfully, and it's implemented over the entire document. So that's how this function actually works. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you.